The differential, what it is and how it works. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how your car turns a corner without grinding its tires, or how a single wheel can spin in the mud while the other one just sits there? Well, today we're diving into the magical, mysterious, and absolutely essential piece of engineering called the differential. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it does, how it works, and why your car literally couldn't turn without it. Trust me, you'll never look at a simple turn the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, so what exactly is a differential? It's a mechanical device, usually found in your car's drive axle, either front, rear, or sometimes both, and it has one genius job: to allow your wheels to spin at different speeds while still receiving power from the engine. Think about it. When you turn, the wheel on the outside of the turn has to travel a greater distance than the wheel on the inside of the turn. If both wheels were forced to spin at the exact same speed, one of them would have to drag or skid, causing huge tire wear and making it impossible to steer smoothly. The differential solves this problem brilliantly. Now for the cool part. How does it actually work? Inside that chunky housing are a set of gears, specifically a ring gear, a pinion gear, and a clever set of spider gears or planet gears. Power in. Engine power comes into the differential via the pinion gear, which spins the large ring gear. Power out. The ring gear then drives a carrier, which contains the spider gears. These spider gears engage with two side gears, which are directly connected to your car's axles and eventually your wheels. Here's the magic. Going straight. When both wheels are turning at the same speed, like going straight, the spider gears in the middle don't rotate on their own axis, they just move along with the carrier, sending equal power to both wheels. Turning a corner. When you turn, one wheel slows down, the inside wheel, and the other speeds up, the outside wheel. The spider gears inside the differential then start to rotate on their own axis, allowing one side gear to spin slower while the other spins faster. Crucially, it still sends the total engine power to both, just distributed differently. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Not all differentials are created equal. While the basic function is the same, here are the four main types you'll find and why they matter for different vehicles. Open differential. This is the standard, simplest type found in most everyday cars, which unfortunately sends all the engine's power to the wheel with the least traction, like one spinning on ice, leaving the car stuck. Limited slip differential, or LSD. This is a high-performance version that uses internal clutches or gears to intelligently restrict excessive power loss to a slipping wheel, making it perfect for sports cars and improving traction. Locking differential. This type is designed for extreme off-road vehicles because it can be manually engaged to mechanically force both wheels to spin at the exact same speed, guaranteeing traction even if one wheel is airborne. Electronic or torque vectoring differential. This is the most advanced, computer-controlled type found in high-end luxury and performance cars, which actively uses sensors and clutches to redistribute power precisely for incredible stability and handling through corners. So from making smooth turns in your daily driver to conquering a muddy trail in a 4x4, the differential is silently working its magic, making sure your wheels always get the power they need precisely when they need it. It's a true unsung hero of automotive engineering. If this breakdown helped you finally understand the differential, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. What other complex car parts would you like us to demystify? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.